Big news from West Bengal. Election Commission of India has released the draft of SR voter list in West Bengal. 58 lakh names have been deleted after the SR first phase process in the state of West Bengal. 12 lakh missing and names have been deleted from that list as well. Now the names deleted include those who are dead, those who are missing. Duplicate ones also being more than a lakh is what we're being told. So a total of at least 58 lakh names have been omitted in terms of the first list. And of course, this remains a contentious process with the opposition, especially the Congress, spearheading protests along with Mamata Banerjee in West Bengal against the SRR process. But that's the first that we're hearing in terms of the enumeration process. We're being told that at least 58 lakh names are not on the list anymore. They have been deleted. Shreyashi now joining me live. Shreyashi, just take us through what you know in terms of the first phase of this contentious month-long SR process in West Bengal that, of course, Mamata Banerjee has been opposing along with other leaders of the opposition. But also it's going to be a daunting task now because now the process of claims also begins, objections and hearings, all of it will be the fallout of what we're hearing today and what we're seeing in terms of the names deleted.
Well, that's right, Vedika. Now the actual work begins. The list has been released. Over 58 lakh names have been deleted. More or less the same kind of numbers that we saw in Bihar. There are about 12 lakh who have died and those names have been removed. So these are essentially dead, duplicates, those who have shifted, and there are the others. Now, as the day progresses, people, of course, will be going into that website to see if their name is there on that SIR list or not from West Bengal, which has been politically charged over this entire exercise being conducted by the Election Commission of India. Once the names are checked, if the individual's name is present, then of course nothing to worry about. They will go about giving their votes again for the elections coming up next year. But if the names are missing and the names are not there from the 2002 SIR list, what one does is they will be getting a notice at their home by their BLOs who had collected their enumeration forms. And once that notice is given with the date and time for the hearing, they have to appear before the district magistrates who are the senior SIR officials in this case with their required documents to prove that they were living in that particular address and voters of that constituency. And once that hearing is concluded, it will be up to the district authorities whether this person will remain in the SIR list or not. But what essentially happens now is as the day progresses, we will know how many people have actually been eliminated from specific constituencies, from specific districts. We'll get the district-wise breakup. So, of course, knowing that West Bengal shares its boundary with Bangladesh, it will be essential to see from the bordering district how many voters have been eliminated. Of course, we have seen the BJP raising time and again, and even yesterday meeting the Home Minister in New Delhi, alleging that there has been a demographic shift in West Bengal. So essentially, this list will now be armed by the political parties to really understand what kind of voters have been eliminated. The Trinamool Congress and the BJP are likely to address the media later during the day. And more importantly, the Chief Electoral Officer of West Bengal will be addressing the media. And these draft lists will be handed over to the recognized political parties to go through them, to see and help the state administration in assisting with the hearing. Of course, the hearing is going to start taking place from next week once the notices have been distributed by the BLO. For a moment,
because we have BJP's Rupa Ganguly also joining me on the phone line. Ms. Ganguly, thank you for speaking to us here on NDTV 24/7. 58 lakh names deleted, identified for deletion, as the Election Commission of India has released the draft electoral rolls for West Bengal. This is not something that the Trinamool Congress or other opposition parties are going to be happy with.
See, Srishaman, I want to say something. First, my biggest concern is the dead people whose names were already there for years after years. सबसे ज्यादा कंसर्न मेरा इसी पे है कि डेड लोग का नाम, जब मैं ये एक कार्यकर्ता होने के नाते आम जनता को मदद कर रही थी, कि कैसे कैसे आपको देखना पड़ेगा, SIR को लेकर डरने का कोई जरूरी नहीं है, ये बहुत अच्छा काम हो रहा है। तो तब मैं खुद भी कंप्यूटर में बैठ के 2002 के बहुत सारे जगह की नाम मैंने खुद निकाला, दोस्त परिचित लोगों के लिए। अभी मुझे वो दिखा कि कहीं पे डिलीशन बोल के कुछ है ही नहीं। अब ये साबित होता है कि 2002 में या उसके बाद या उससे पहले कभी कोई गया ही नहीं पश्चिम बंगाल में से, किसी का देहांत हुआ ही नहीं। ये सबसे खतरनाक चीज है। और एक और बात है, अभी भी ऑप्शन है कि जिन लोगों का नाम कोई मिसमैच की वजह से नहीं दिख रहा है अभी, उसके लिए भी ऑप्शन रहेगा। तो पश्चिम बंगाल की जो राज्य सरकार है वो खामखा खुद डर गए बोल के अब बाकी लोगों को डराने की कोशिश कर रहा है। मुश्किल बात यह है कि इतने सारे लोगों के नाम जो डुप्लीकेट्स है, जो चले गए, रिलोकेटेड हो गए हैं, जो गुजर गए हैं, और जो उसके पहले भी जब SIR शुरू हुआ उसके नाम से भी कुछ लोग पश्चिम बंगाल से बोरिया बिस्तर निकालकर इलाका खाली कर दिए हैं।
All right, Ms. Ganguly, I will have to leave it there with you. Thank you for joining us on the phone line there. The BJP is saying that this had to be an essential part of the process. Consulting editor Jayanta Ghoshal joining me on the phone line as well. Jayanta, make no mistake, clearly this is going to be the top focus, the top agenda of the TMC in that battle against the BJP in the upcoming state elections. SIR is going to be the point of contention for months to come.
Yeah. Viveka, actually, after this release of the first draft list, I can say that I should not say that it's an advantage TMC or disadvantage TMC, advantage BJP, disadvantage BJP, because we should study the booth-wise, because this deletion is, no doubt, the credibility of the voter list should be more or would be more, because there was complaint, there was allegation that there were a lot of false voters, infiltrators was a major issue. Apart from the political campaign of BJP, but if the deletion of the infiltrators, especially in the border districts, and their Muslim infiltrators, if the deletion, actualization of that deletion takes place, because we have to study, because this deletion of 58 lakhs, it is not only the infiltrators, there are Hindu voters, Muslim voters, whether it is BJP voters or TMC voters, how I can jump to this conclusion today. But TMC strategy, the war room, what I can tell you, last night I came to know that their strategy is that first they will say that they will react on the deletion, because they will make a campaign that there is a deliberate deletion of the specific constituency, like Mamata Banerjee's constituency, and they will compare with Suvendu Adhikari's constituency. Why the deletion is less in the BJP candidates, and these are the issues they have ready for campaign. But actual, that is for only public consumption. But internally, the booth-wise, district-wise, now TMC also will study. And you know, the interesting part is that the state BJP...
Up to there, sir, because there's some big breaking news coming in that we need to move to right now. Thank you for joining us.